My name is bfatka, and today I wanted to show you a fairly simple way to embed forms right in the Laserfiche web client. Our use case comes from the city of Rhinelander in Wisconsin, where they use Laserfiche forms for permit applications, but they didn't want to fill up the inspector's inbox with tasks until an inspection was actually requested. Our solution was to embed a form in the client that can pull metadata from the permit application, making the inspector's job much easier. While our example today is about permits in an inspection form, you can see how this could be very useful for many situations. Let's look at how to set it up in the Laserfiche cloud today. Create your form like you always do, and in the Process Details pane, make sure the process is enabled and set to public. Then grab the entire link so we can edit it. We want a link that dynamically pre-populates the form with our metadata. We do this with the original form link, the fields we want to fill out, and then the variables that go into each field. Put another way, form URL, variable equals input. Or in this example for a peer review, you see the blue link, the question mark, and the form field variable in red equals, and the metadata variable in green. In this last example, you see using the AND symbol allows you to work with multiple variables. Here's our link for today with 4 variables. I put green placeholders in while I'm building the link, and next we'll show you how to update those placeholders with variables. To embed the form and configure it, open your web client and select Options. Then navigate to the Display tab and scroll down to view the Tabs section. Click Add to create a new tab, name it, and then paste in our long URL and replace the placeholders with real metadata values from your repository. Here you see we highlight the placeholder for house number, which in our system is called street number. Then we also replace the email placeholder with our email variable. Finish replacing all of your placeholders, then notice we have options on when to display this form in our web client. You can choose to only show in the folder browser or the document viewer. We can lock it down to just show in specific folders, in which case it's usually a good idea to click the button to include subfolders. We can even make sure this form only displays when a specific template is used or just when specific people are using it. Our inspector is now ready to inspect 321 Albin Street. Clicking on the application reveals the relevant metadata, which feeds the inspection report in our new tab. With most fields already complete, our inspector just has to click a couple of buttons and input notes before submitting. I hope this example inspires your own use case, and know that we are always here if you need help. Use the information on screen to contact us, and we'll look forward to discussing your new efficiencies. Thanks.